Hi viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. We all know that there are a lot of transactions happening around us every day. After this transaction is identified, it is first recorded in a chronological form in the primary account books that is called journal book. This transaction is later transferred to ledger by its classification. Ledger is also called the king of all books. We follow some rules when we prepare a ledger account. So, in this video, we will learn what are the rules for preparing a ledger account. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting. So, let's get started. Rules for preparing ledger account. The rules for preparing ledger account are described here. 1. First, a separate title must be assigned to the ledger account. 2. According to the T-table, the left side of the ledger is called the debit, and the right side is called the credit. 3. There are 4 columns on the left side and 4 columns on the right. 4. The total number of columns will be 6 according to the modern table. 5. The balance of accounts for the previous period will be treated as the opening balance of the current period in the ledger. 6. Depending on the nature of the debit-credit of the transaction, the amount should be entered on the debit side and on the credit side, and the balance in the balance column should be added or subtracted. 7. The balance is to be calculated as soon as the transaction is written in a modern table. 8. The journal page number should be entered in the journal page column of the ledger. 9. When the account is prepared in the T-table, the account is closed by drawing the closing line below the total sum of the debit and credit columns at the end of a certain period. I think you're clear about the rules for preparing the ledger? If you follow these rules, you'll be able to prepare a ledger account easily. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. You can also visit our official website www.everythingaboutakcounting.info for more updates. Thanks for watching.